Hey, hi there, hello internet. So today I'm making this video to talk about ServiceNow's exams and certification. So in this video we'll cover the information about ServiceNow's exams. What are the different types of exams offered by them, and how the certification process is. So this is the worldwide company which offers an primarily ITSM related product. Basically, who is starting with a ServiceNow related stuff, they start their journey from the CSA. So this exam is basically a introduction to the different products they offer, and it gives you an overview of their ecosystem, and it will tell you about their products, the interrelation between them, and the architecture. In order to take the exams, they have provided their own learning platform. They call it a Now Learning platform, and that Now Learning platform uh, gives you a different types of courses that are available through ServiceNow. So you can go through the Now Learning portal, and you will see the multiple courses are there. They differentiate it like the courses and the path. Basically they take some time, and they consist of multiple courses in it. There is a cost associated with the both the course that you have to complete and the exam. So there is a different cost for your course, the syllabus material, learning material, and the exam that you take. So as of today, I completed this recently. So um, the cost is was around $354, including your taxes, US dollars. So basically the cost is 300 US dollars, and 54 is their tax they apply on it. So the important thing about the payments here, the payments are in the foreign currency, and that means you have the foreign transaction fees associated with it, and the payments are completely non-refundable. So it basically covers your basics of ServiceNow, and along with it you have to complete some practicals. So for practical, they also give one a sandbox environment, which will be your playground to perform the practical related exercises, a hands-on activities you can perform there. So these hands-on activities uh, are very simple. If you see, they mention the everything there, from the instruction, what activity is, on what topic this activity is for, and the instruction to perform it. So it is very easy to complete those activities, and from the exam point of view, these activities are very important to appear for exam. Now exam is handled by a different vendor of them, called Criterion. So Criterion Online is a different vendor which handles their exam related stuff. So you have to schedule your exam and everything from that portal, and exams are OLP type, online proctored. So you need to have an external webcam mandatory. Exam time is 90 minutes, and that is more than enough in my opinion, but it is 90 minutes. uh, and like the pattern of exam is, there are 60 questions, and the 60 question, you have to all of them will be a multiple choice questions, and in some cases the answers can be multiple. It is specifically mentioned there. The passing criteria, important thing, is 70%, So out of those 60, you have to score above 40 questions should be the correct out of those 60, and the overall your passing criteria has to above the 70%.